Hello and welcome to this week's Inner Circle. Start with foreign exchange and the dollar index. Pretty quiet. Bit of a spike higher on Super Mario yesterday. We saw the euro dollar spike lower temporarily, but overall still pretty quiet. If we go to the euro dollar, then we've known about that weekly level at 109.10 for some time. Went down to the third range deviation pivot down on those comments, and then reversed sharply. And we had a similar thing in bond markets. So initially bond markets went higher in futures terms, and then pretty much collapsed. So effectively what we had in bond markets was what you call good news, bad action. And really for the currency what we've had is the opposite, and we've had bad news and good action. However, there is a minor buy signal, but it wasn't really at the support point, and we really need to break out of this range. So 111.76 is still a significant barrier above. Lots of shenanigans in the UK as per usual, and we had those major buy signals the week before. You see those arrows 2 days running, and the initial target was 124.79. And we've reached that today. So sorry, 124, yes, 124.44. So we've reached that today, which is a profit taking point. For some, you can take all of your profit. For others, you can say, okay, I'm just going to take some money off the table. It's going to need to make a 2-day closing high above that level to open up more upside, and the next target would be 129.52. But at the moment, just a profit taking point. Dollar yen. Also had the buys a few weeks ago now, having hit that weekly level. It hit an upside target early in the week. Again, that would have been a partial profit taking point, and it's carried on through. So now key support is that breakout point, which is 107.32, and as you can see, there is no resistance. Also had positives on the Aussie dollar recently, again at that big weekly and monthly level, so that was pretty much perfect. Stalled this week, hasn't really done very much, so you just have to really trail your stop up effectively, because we're a little bit in no man's land. Kiwi. Different story on the Kiwi. The buys came in at the same time as the Aussie, but not at support, so the Aussie was the one to trade. And we've had a couple of negatives this week after going sideways, so not sure whether it's really a trade as such, because it wasn't at resistance. It's worth looking at the cross against the Aussie just to see where we are there. And there we go. That tells a story, doesn't it? So that's broken up, so it's taken out that daily level, having gone sideways for a week or so. So if you wish, you could sort of hedge up and say, okay, fine, could be long the Aussie and could be short the Kiwi, some of it. That's another way to play it. On to dollar CAD. So positive on dollar CAD on Wednesday, but not at support though. You can see that the major levels are miles away effectively. But obviously there's no reason to be short. We'll just finish off with the euro pound, just to have a quick look where that is. Broke down a few weeks ago and failed at that monthly line at 91.20. A minor positive on Thursday, but not at major support, and it's pretty much taking that level out. So that really confirms, if you get that 2-day close on the pound against dollar, then that should suggest more weakness in the euro pound. Okay, thank you.